You say at the GoPro where we're going?
We're going, the Xplor Park.
What were you going to say?
Extreme, but that's not right. We're not going to that one. We're going to the Xplor Park. Mushroom. Okay, right.
It's when we get out of this cave.
Sweet. Yeah. Uh-huh. Can you do both, Michael?
Yeah, look. See?
Oh, smooth.
Very nice. Watch out for snakes.
Yeah. It's like, there's poisonous snakes everywhere. I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
That's a terrible thing to say. Well, and then he was like, so if they don't make it back on the bus, that's probably why. Like, Jesus Christ. Wow, dude, that shit's heavy.
It's a really dark joke.
It's a really, really dark joke.
Hey guys, by the way, you may get bit by a very deadly snake.
Yeah, have fun.
I recommend now has make the run expedition on the run expedition.
The driving?
The drive,
Oh,
yes.
expedition and climbing.
Yes, it's the
Very nice. Just this. That's enough. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Tosh and I are gonna go grab our stuff and head out early, head home.
We're ready. Sometimes, even though we do these excursions, we're just ready to go. So
Yeah.
we asked the taxi how much. Not bad at all. So we paid the price to go home, which works for me.
I mean, we've been here since early
We've been
morning.
here since 8.
Yeah, we've been here since 8 a.m. What was your favorite thing?
I made the zip lines.
Me too.
Zip lines were great.
She did the zip lines, I chickened out. I wing!
It's my ticket.
Showman. That's how much we paid for it. Oh, Xplor.
Oh, Xplor.
They called us. We're going to the Xplor. Bye, guys.